I hope that reminded you of something. And if it did, that means you're a true supporter, subscriber, family, whatever you might call yourself. Alright, so welcome back to another vlog. Alright, so in today's vlog, I am at Super Duper Clean, the location where Panda is going to get squeaky clean. Alright, so guys, today is deep clean day and I'm excited. It's 6:50 and they should start at 8:30 this morning. But I got here a bit early because I have some other stuff to get done and I didn't want the traffic to hold me up. So stick around. Watch what is going to happen. We're going to see the transformation. We're going to see the before. We're going to see the after. Oh God, we're going to see the in between. And I'm excited. I hope you guys know how much I'm excited. And I'm going to see if I can put some packages that Super Duper Clean offers. All of that in it. Alright? Let's put it there. The number to contact Super Duper Clean. I'm excited. Today is going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day. I can feel it. So remember to like, share, subscribe, and people, don't be afraid to comment. You don't need to text me personally commenting. Text it in the comment section. Let everybody else know how you feel about it. I'll show you the inside of the car. If you're going to judge me, make sure you like the video. If you're not going to judge me, like the video still. Car is terrible. It's in a deplorable condition and state. I'm super embarrassed. But I know why it's like this. And I understand. I don't need you to understand. I really don't need anybody else's approval in life. So it doesn't faze me that much. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. It looks probably prettier like this, but trust me, when you guys see it right now, you're going to be shocked. So as you guys just saw, dirty car going to be a super duper clean car this afternoon. Now I'm excited, as I've been saying. You guys should see it. I'm up and in Kingston and it's 16 minutes after 7. Appointment is 8:30 and I am excited to see 8:30. So stick around, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for keeping up with the videos. I hope you guys will enjoy this one. Super duper clean. Let's put their Instagram page right here. Number, telephone number and everything is going to be on Instagram. But in case you don't use Instagram, I'll place his number here also. Big up. Now, how about I let you guys see who the owner is of Super Duper Clean? Well, Super Duper Clean. Let's go. See that man over there? Yes, that's him.
Blessed morning. Wayne, my name. This is Junior. This is Lance. and this is STUDIOSJA. I'll get that name there. Talk one of the next time. Alright, today's job is to, well, one of the job, first one, this Suzuki Swift here. The plan is to give it a complete detail, complete with the exception of the engine bay. Don't start offering that service as yet. That's for another time. For this cleanup, because of the bad state that it is in, we will be removing the seats. For the back, we don't necessarily have to remove the top because it can flip back and forth. Remove the lower portion, which is over there. We give it a 4-step cleaning and all seat, all upholstery, depending on how switch out that. Depending on how the condition of the carpet. A lot of time it's easier to remove the carpet, so we might very well just remove the carpet so we can give it a wet shampoo, put it up to dry, put it back in. For this job, the estimated time is 3 hours. 3 hours, which will involve vacuuming inside, headliner, shampoo headliner, vacuum seats, agitate, shampoo seat, or just a wet extraction of the seat. Use the steamer when you have areas that require additional breaking up of grease or dirt or anything like that. And it's a simple process at this stage that we are now, and it should take us about 3 hours to get everything done, full interior clean. That is from dash glass all the way back to glass. Good. For the roof cleaning, it is a 4-step process. The first step is to remove the surface dust, so vacuum and take care of that. After you vacuum, you get rid of most of the, like this. So you vacuum it first to get rid of all of this. I mean, you can do it without the vacuuming, but alright, get Lance to do it. It makes it easier, right? Now, after you do the vacuuming, you can use chemical to basically break up the any form of dirt or anything like that, eh? Because of the equipment that we got, we can cut back on the amount of harsh chemicals we use. So here I'm just using soap and water, that's all. No, because of the equipment that we have. If it's very bad, we use a little bit of the chemical in some areas, or we use the steamer to break up the grease. Like for some vehicles around these areas, you don't want to agitate it too much because this is where you will damage this, and you know how soft this is. So we use a combination of the steamer and the chemical. In this case, we're only using soap water now. If I go through, I do a full pass and then I realize that it needs additional. We start off with a light approach. If you realize it needs additional stuff, then we can go into those areas. You don't want to introduce too much moisture, too much heat in it, nor too much agitation. So this is the softest brush that we have. Extremely soft. Yeah, soft. And we basically just apply some liquid to it, and the reason for this is that if you run this dry, it will basically be tearing up the fabric. So you need lubrication. Lubrication always works. Moving right along. So this now, you spray it on it, and then you just start, and you go across like panel by panel. You realize what was here before gone. So that's the only amount of water we use.
So I'm sitting in the midst of all the excitement, and I think this is where it gets fun. This is where it really gets fun. When you see the videos of the transformation from when it looks like cows and goats are running up and down inside and my dogs are in here also, you'll understand. Look on the interior. This is detailed. This is, oh my god. The video is not going to do justice. I don't even know if you guys are going to hear me because they're making so much noise, but look there. Listen, one manpower is amazing, but imagine having two at once. Don't read between the lines.
That's how different you talk what they're doing. Yes,
trust me guys, trust me. This was beyond my imagination. Alright, so as you can see, it's getting dark outside. But now, Panda has become a light. I don't think the front camera is really all that at night. But you don't see that? I'm just wondering if you guys see the car. Tomorrow morning I'm going to go inside. Or I might not. Because I have a lot of videos.